Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. And today in this video I will show you some beautiful and amazing designs of crochet jar covers. You can create it by yourself if you are running a shop and a small business. So I will definitely recommend you to introduce this type of covers in your business, so user will like it and you get more clients and your business will grow up. So if you are planning to decorate your kitchen and renovate your some kitchen parts, so these crochet jars cover would definitely be recommended, and you can create in any color, any pattern, and in any design, in any shape you want to create it. So these are very handy and cost effective, like they are not so costly, they are very economically. And anyone in the house, if they are interested in some designs and crocheting, so they would love to do it. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and let me know your favorite crochet designs for the jars, and do also tell me how you are decorating your jars and what color scheme do you use in your kitchen. And you can even decorate the plants jar. It is not necessary that you can decorate only the spices jars. You can decorate any type of jars, whether it is from peanuts and walnuts and some cookies, and any type of jars you can decorate it with crochet. So yeah, that's all. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.